In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bates numbers to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you're working with legal documents or need to organize a series of files, Bates numbering is a fantastic tool for keeping everything in order. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll need to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Once you've launched the program, open your desired document by navigating to the global toolbar found at the top of the screen. In this toolbar, you'll see an option labeled All Tools. Click on it, and then from the selection that appears, choose Scan and OCR. This is where you'll find the tools necessary for Bates numbering. Now you're ready to add the Bates numbers. Look for the option labeled Bates numbering and select Add. At this point, a dialog box will pop up prompting you to arrange your files. If you have multiple files, ensure they are in the correct order, then click OK to proceed. With your files properly arranged, let's focus on customization. Under the font section, you have the opportunity to choose the font style, size and color for your Bates numbering. Feel free to select whatever suits the aesthetics of your document or meets any specific requirements you have. Next, decide where you want to place the serial numbers on your pages. You have several options. They can be placed in the header or footer either on the left, center, or right side. Choose the placement that works best for your document, layout, and visibility needs. Once you have your placement set, click on Insert Bates Number. Now you need to configure the number itself. First, decide on the number of digits. This is important, especially if you're working with a large volume of documents. After setting your digit number, determine your start number. This could be 001, 1001, or any starting number you feel is suitable for your numbering sequence. Having adjusted these settings, click OK. Now, move to the page range options, select all pages to ensure that the Bates numbers are applied throughout the entire document. Confirm your selection by clicking OK. Finally, click OK once more to close the dialog box. This initiates the process, and Adobe Acrobat Pro DC will start applying Bates numbers based on your specified settings. And there you have it, your PDF is now appropriately Bates numbered, adding a layer of organization and professionalism to your document management. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of Adobe Acrobat. Thanks for watching.